Last year was the school without talking.
What the? What kind of school is this?
Now the school has changed to a normal school, with exchange students that happen to be Pokémon. But also has a class with students that have their appearances mixed up. And that is why we welcome you to the messed up class. Huh? What? Can't believe I ended up in this class. I mean, like, look at this. This class scares the out of me. A Pikachu with no tail? Ugh, a Bobble-Headed Charmander. Charmander! It says backwards. Charmander! And what also scares me, the Heckaross. It's Heracross, you idiot. And that Psyduck has too many scratches on its beak.
I don't have any scratches.
Yes, you do, you overweight duck. This Torterra has no tree on its back. How are small Pokemon supposed to live on him?
Hey, I can go without the tree. Or I can stomp on you hard.
Oh, shut up, fatty. Oh, about the Salamence. Just like that Pikachu, he doesn't have no f***ing tail. A tiny beast soldier.
Don't you make me pluck you hard.
Okay, someone please tell me if this guy's allergic to mayonnaise. Bald Maiden!
Yeah, so? You're a chubby penguin. Ugly, too.
And that Rayquaza's tiny. The Dragonite has a keychain.
Hey, I'm supposed to look like that.
And your voice reminds me of the dinosaur. And the Meowth scratches are permanent. It still hurts. Oh my god, I have a Zucario.
Hey, you know what? You talk about my head.
Mime Jr. just creeps the feathers on me. Talk for once already. Hey, Giraffe, what happened to your other half?
I got surgery.
Yeah, to a giant can of lifesavers. Hey, Slender Bunny, brush your teeth.
Hey, don't you give me that about my teeth, Bob.
And that Mew has no tail.
Where did my tail go?
The Haunter always frightens me.
Haha!
Stop scaring me, Hunter.
Hey, you said Hunter. Hunter.
Charizard, his feet smell terrible.
Oh, hey, did you want to smell my feet?
No, I don't want to smell your beef stew of feet. That Staravia only has 1 foot. And I've gotten quite used to this. And this gorilla, he's in love with me.
Hey, I'm a girl, you sweet bird.
You're also a tiny gorilla. That Sneasel looks like a zombie.
No soy un zombie. Esta es la forma supone que debo mirar.
And she speaks Espanol.
Okay, class. Quiet down, please.
Holy there's blood on your butt.
Excuse me?
There was blood on you.
That is not blood. That's just paint from my saddle. And you better watch your mouth, young man.
One question. Can I be in a different class?
I'm sorry, but all students must stay in their homeroom before the next year.
Oh, I might be dreaming. I guess I have to pluck myself to see if I'm dreaming. It's just a dream. It's just a dream. Whoa, what the was that? Oh, I was right. It was just a dream.
Yes, it was, honey.
Oh my. Monkey spit. It was another nightmare. Whoa, what the what was that loud noise? Who pulled the blankets? And what's under the blankets? How in the heck did a big bear get in there? At least I was never in the mess of class.